welcome you all to the new video, New Interiors with SK Interiors. So today we have come to see the Happy Village, which is 1003 flat number. It's situated on Rajarhat Road, Chinar Park, New Town, Kolkata. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is our shoe rack with ample storage. And the marble finish with a beautiful wallpaper. And moving towards our living area. So this is our beautiful cozy living area with a wonderful chandelier and beautiful sofa designed by SK Interiors. The upholstery, everything has been designed by SK Interiors. The luxury curtains gives you a perfect finished look. Moving towards our TV unit with again ample storage to keep all your essentials. There are multiple drawers. And see how beautifully it is designed. And over here also we have another storage area. See how beautifully it is designed. Look, very spacious to keep all your essentials. It's a perfect place for the party with all your friends and family. So this is our beautiful dining area. Wonderful lighting upstairs, and the unique feature of this living area is our false ceiling. Look at the unique wonderful false ceiling. So this is our foyer area. Look at the false ceiling again. So now we are moving towards our kitchen area. Come on in. See, this is our wonderful spacious kitchen area with tandem baskets. Very easy to pull. And to keep all your essentials, there is enough storage area. This tandem baskets along with all this place to keep your essentials gives you a neat and finished look. And this is latest and going in trend. And this is our area to keep all your cylinders. And this is our basin area. And the RO space. And upstairs also there is a lot of storage area to keep all your groceries. See how beautifully it is designed, and there is also another doors. I hope you like this kitchen area, which is very functional and easy to work. Now let's move to the first bedroom, which is our kids' bedroom. So come on in. Look at the wonderful bed designed by SK Interiors. The back design, the upholstery, all is designed by SK Interiors. You can customize yourself whichever way you like. So this is our study table, very wonderfully designed. And see, there is a hidden storage to keep all your books neatly and to study calm and peacefully. And there is a drawer here to keep all your essentials, to keep all your stationery, so that there is no huddle while you are studying here. And this is our cupboard section to keep all the clothes of the kids in this kids room. And the Sanmaica, everything has been designed by SK Interiors, and there are no handles as such which are available in the market. These are all made by SK Interiors with the wood only. So now this is our dressing area, and there is ample storage. And this the light also inside this mirror. Now we are moving towards our next bedroom, which is our master bedroom. So come on in. This is our master bedroom. Very wonderfully designed. The bed is very neat and clean. No extra detailing in this. Very nice, neat and clean upholstery with a wonderful design. And there is also our dressing area. There is ample storage to keep all your cosmetics inside. And there is again the profile light and the storage inside. So very detailed, and the beautiful finish is given by SK Interiors. And this is our cupboard section, again to keep all your essentials. Very spacious cupboard area, so that you can keep all your clothes very beautifully organized. Well, SK Interiors always prefer to give the white Sanmaica inside because it looks very vibrant and very neat. So it's always preferred to keep the white Sanmaica inside your cupboard section. Otherwise you can customize yourself as well. And there is beautiful false ceiling given by SK Interiors, very unique. This is different from whatever we have seen in our another videos. So I hope you like this master bedroom, very neatly created by SK Interiors. Now we are moving towards our third bedroom, which is our guest bedroom. So come on in. See how wonderfully it is designed by SK Interior, and this is our new design to chit chat with all your friends and family members. So on this window panel we have designed this sitting area to gossip with your new guests and have wonderful time. And there is also a storage inside to keep all your belongings. And see, wonderfully designed by SK Interiors, so that your guests will feel comfortable and cozy. See how nicely it is designed. And this is again the paint and everything is keeping in mind with the curtains, and our false ceiling is also very wonderfully done in this room as well. As these days there is a lot of work pressure and there is work from home option, so there is a beautiful area designed for our guests. This is the study table, the cozy and the very lightly designed for our guests. So there is also the ample storage to keep all your stationery and the books. And wonderfully designed by SK Interior. There is also a drawer inside. So this is very unique place to work and do your work. We'll describe how is the work done designed by SK Interiors. So sir, you please tell me how was the work done by SK Interior?
It was absolutely good and absolutely as per our requirement. Whatever we have asked from him, he has done everything.
Very nice.
And moreover, whenever there is any problem, without any questions asked, he has done all that problem solved. So I would recommend everybody go for SK Interiors if you need any interior solution. I think he is the best person and absolutely a good human being.
Very nice. Ma'am, you also please tell and give your feedback. How was the interiors done by SK Interior?
আমি তো খুব খুশি হয়েছি। আমি যেরকম চেয়েছিলাম এসকে আমাকে সেরকম করে দিয়েছে।
Very nice. मतलब आपको सबसे ज्यादा क्या अच्छा लगा, किचन एरिया या बेडरूम एरिया, कौन सा?
লিভিং এরিয়া।
लिविंग एरिया नाइस। हाँ, इवन दिस इज यूनिक एंड वेरी नाइसली डन बाय SK
আমি
Interior.
যেরকম বলেছি
Design
ওকে
দিয়েছি।
ডিজাইন দিয়েছি এসকে কে একদম আমার মতন করে ও করে দিয়েছে।
That's good. So मतलब like whatever you have spent, it's worth it, right? Thank you. So that's all for today. I hope you liked today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep following SK Interiors. Till then, take care and bye-bye.